last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous, I was going to say profitable. So harmless, I would say my friends into danger. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety is a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator? That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. R5, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minox? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onoka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly. Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get to the
There's just a bunch of random levels.
right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly out. Weapons are online.
God damn!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Light speed, Emmy! Up, Emmy! Do something! Up, Sammy!
Those are the dogs protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked on to us. Take evasive action!
Where am I going?
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire!
I'm going on!
There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
We got it?
We got it. That could have been much worse.
What plane? I didn't have
Okay,
any light plane.
it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe it's something for Panto. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly with them? Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Well, it's harder than it looks. Guns!
Nope.
That's 16%.
Coming down!
Oh, God.
Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it!
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out!
Don't push her off.
Your hyperdrive has failed!
No way.
Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! True is right! If we leave them back, they may find the resistance! You did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the Great job, my friends! You retrieved one container of Copaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
We got 8%. I want to be a
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.